Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just here, you'll see the volume section, click there, and on the ringtone volume panel, just to mute your ringtone you should swipe this dot to the left side with your fingers. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that this feature to use volume keys for media is turned off. To use your volume buttons to change the ringtone volume, and now by press your we'll go here to our home screen, and by press your down volume button you can also mute your device ringtone. And also get the third way, just press your up or down volume button and then with your fingers swipe down this volume panel and you will also mute your device ringtone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.